Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
U MLA ka BJP ubadairu menta Menteri Sarkar haka MDA tu ulaong balada ong sa kumnu-kumnuru utikinabe shispa nak shispa bau Narendra Modi unsawan biang hakabor ngat unlong Menteri rang badu jongga India sa sisien pat. Ubaheg ulaong baka parti BJP gade gabahe barhaga ni ga election Lok Sabha haru kan penyang kertong na baro Artli constituency kata na Shillong bad natura. Ula kentui ki pajba bakimdayan peleno ay ya ka vote jongki hende ki deban jet bay ya ka BJP namar latip lupa bakan senchar biang ya kari India.
It's a national party. It's a ruling party in a country. And also they are ruling in many states, BJP today. And the recent concluded assembly elections of the state of Meghalaya, BJP had set up 60 candidates in all the 60 seats, more than any other political party in the state of Meghalaya. So BJP, being the national party, is going to set up for the parliament elections, both for the one Shillong parliamentary constituency and the two Tura parliamentary constituency. The BJP is going to set up the candidate. Now, the party has not decided on any candidates. I don't think, of course, as a duty of all the political party, including the BJP, any like-minded people, if they agree to support the BJP, we are welcome. See, anybody contesting, whether it's a state elections or a parliament election, everybody want to win the elections. I think everybody will put up candidate. I saw that NPP also, they said that they will put up candidate. I saw the UDP also, they said they will put up the candidate because they have been putting all through all the elections, the candidate. Even the last concluded state election also, all the party, they had set up their own candidate to fight each other on the MDA partners. You need this. You do whatever. The Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, he is 100% sure going again to rule or to form the government at the center. The only appeal to all the people, why waste their votes? Anybody candidate who is going to be contesting from the BJP, who is going to be ruling at the center, they should vote for the national party and also the strong national party. BJP at present